7 train. Ready to live for her. Yeah.
42nd Street. An accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform. Transfers available to the 1, 2, 3, N, Q, R, and W trains and shuttle to Grand Central. Connection is available to the Port Authority bus terminal.
Get off the next stop and I'm going to take the F to the J to the 44.
This is a Queens-bound 7 local train. The next stop is 5th Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Show off this train. Like, people don't have no respect. If they see the train moving, they can stand there and it's gonna push onto you and don't say, I'm sorry. You know what I mean? That's disrespect right there. Like, I don't do that to people. I'm very respectful when it comes on to people, you feel me? That's how it is. They don't have no respect and they think that my job is frustration, right? Alright, we're going this way. That's how it feels, bro. Like, you don't have no respect. I'm like, listen, Chinese woman, like, you bumped into me. You could say, excuse me, are you sorry? Or whatever like that. They just bump into you in this walk. So I said to her, excuse me, you bumped into me. You don't say you're sorry or excuse me? You don't have any respect for people? I don't understand what the problem is with people.
Now his head.
There is a local 7 train to 34th Street.
Let's go.
Exit yards. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Let's roll it. Hold on, man. Better yet, that's how we do it. That's how we do it in Manhattan. That's how we do it. Let me tell you, mental health is serious with people, you know, and they don't like when you put a camera in, you know, when you have a camera in your hand. They don't like that. You know what I'm saying? So I put the camera down so they won't see what I'm doing. This is my job, and I'm doing this for a living to make money. Feel me? That's the reason why people don't have no respect with the job you do, because they think that you're recording them and you're not. You feel me? But I tell these people, I don't wipe my ass. I don't shit and piss in the toilet for me to make money. You feel what I'm saying? And you don't understand how it is to grow up in a home where you gotta go out and get something to eat. You gotta go beg on the street. We're going this way. Oh, yes, that's how it is in the world. They don't give a shit about how you feel. But it's all about them. Feel what I'm saying? We going this way, right? Oh, we going this way. Let's go this way. All right, let's go. So the Coney Island bound F is in 3 minutes.
Emma, you're such a bitch.
And that's the reason why I like to come in the city at this time. It's much better than coming here earlier. A lot of homeless people digging the garbage to get food, you feel me? Ain't that shitty? Ain't that some shit? In the Manhattan City, people that used to do 9 to 5, and they end up addicted to crack and cocaine and drugs. They end up digging in the garbage to get something to eat. That's how it is in the world of Manhattan. Man. Look at that. Ah, shit. That motherfucker's crazy, man. That crazy. Ain't that some shitty? I ain't taking that train. F train I'm taking. They crazy, man. They own that weed. Quit smoking that weed, my brother and my sister is. Quit smoking that weed, man. This is how weed get you sick. Now quit smoking that weed, man. Alright, we in. Alright, we back. Byron Park 42nd, waiting for the F. So we right here, alright? Check it out.